Welcome to Telegram guys. Today we are going to review Pixel Plus UI version 5.0 which I have just flashed on my POCO F1 device. As you can see I am on PPUI version 5.0 which is running on Android 13. If I go here and set this clock to 1, then you can see we are on Android 13. Okay, now let's go back to home screen. Now before I continue to review all the features, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together. Now let's go. From home screen, if we swipe from left, then we will see our news panel here. We can read all the news from here. If we swipe from bottom, then all the installed apps will show up here, which I have installed from Play Store or which are pre-installed. If I swipe from top, then you can see all the notifications are available here. All the toggles for data, internet, Bluetooth are shown up here. We can also add or remove any toggles from here if we want. And then there are some options in the bottom, like all the running apps which are running on the background will show up here. As you can see, system UI is running in background. Then there is power button. If we click on this, we can go to emergency, we can power off this device, or we can restart the device. Then there is icon for settings. As you can see, we are now on settings. Now before I show you settings, I would like to see personalization option. So if we long press on home screen, the personalized option will open up. From here we can change our wallpapers from any of these four, or we can go to simply wallpaper and styles, change wallpaper, and from here we can select any of these available wallpapers, or we can simply go to my photo. From here we can select our any photo as wallpaper. Now let's go back, and then there is option for wallpaper colors. There are multiple options, like as you can see, we can select any of these options, or we can also go to basic colors, or we can select from any of these colors if we want. Then there is option for dark theme. We can turn this on or off according to our needs. As of now, I'm just going to disable it. Then there is option for themed icon. As you can see, I have already turned on theme icon, so our icons are green. So let's turn this off. Then there is option for upgrade. We can customize our upgrade according to our needs. As of now, I have set it to 4x5. Now that's it for wallpaper in style. Now if we long press, then there is also option for widgets. If we swipe from bottom, then all the widgets are available here. As you can see, we have native widgets, we have Chrome widgets, we have digital well-being, we have weather app, or everything which I will install on this device. Now next option is home settings. From here we can manage our notification dot, at a glance, and everything which we want to customize on our home screen. So we can do that from here. Now let's go back. Now next I am going to show you all the settings on this Pixel Plus UI. As you can see, I am on settings app. From settings, there is written good evening, hello owner. Then there is next option for network and internet. If you go to network and internet, all the settings regarding internet and Wi-Fi, aeroplane is available here, as you would expect on any other Android device. Then there is option for connected devices. From here we can add or remove a Bluetooth device. Then there is option for pixelizer. This is unique to Pixel Plus UI. And if you click on buttons, as you can see, we can show volume panel on left or right. As you can see, volume panel is showing on left. If I turn this off, then our volume panel will show up on the right side. Now let's go back. Then there is option for gesture. From here we can set any gesture we want, like there is a one-handed mode. If I swipe from here to bottom, then we are on one hand mode. We can also turn this one hand mode off, and there are also some options like swipe to notification. We can just take notification by swiping 3 fingers down. Then there are options for playback control with volume button. As you can see, there is also option for quickly opening camera with the power button and all other options. Then there is option for lock screen. We can customize how our lock screen will show up from here. We can click on status bar to our lock screen, or we can tap to sleep on lock screen. Then there is option for miscellaneous. From here we can manage our icons on a status bar, which icon we want to show or which we do not want to show. From here we can turn this on or off. Then there is option for ignore Windows secure flags, launch music app on headset connection, and enable advanced restart. Advanced restart will basically show you recovery and bootloader options. As you can see, if I turn this on, then there is an option for advanced bootloader, system UI, recovery, and system. Now let's go back. Next option is notifications. From notification you can blink our flashlight on or off. They can vibrate on connect, we can vibrate on call waiting, vibrate on disconnect. These options we have here. And there is option for notifications. We can set notifications flashlight or any of these available options. Next is themes. We can customize our themes to black, vivid, paint, any of these available option. As of now I'm going with the default. Then there is option for status bar. From here we can change how our status bar looks. Like here I'm going to change LTE icon to 4G. As you can see, this changes to 4G. Then there is option for small mobile icon, which will move LTE to top of mobile icon. Then there is option for battery icon, which you want to show to next to the icon, or you want to keep it hidden, or whichever you want to set it. Then there is option for battery style. You can set any of these options available here according to your need. You can also set clock position according to your preference. Now that's it for pixelizer. Now let's go back. Next option is apps. From here we can manage all the apps and settings regarding to installed apps. As you can see, next option is notifications. All the notifications regarding settings are available here. As you can see, conversations, bubbles, do not disturb, and enhanced notifications, everything is available here. And next setting is battery. From here you can manage all these settings regarding battery. As you can see, there is battery saver options. You can turn these settings on or off. Then there is net display. In the display settings you can manage all the settings like dark theme, and there is option for night light. Then there is option for auto rotate screen and tap to wake. All these settings are available in display. Next is sound and vibration. From here we can manage our sound and notification. As you can see, go back. Next is storage. As you can expect, here you can see all the storage uses, and you can also manage your storage directly from here. Now next option is wallpaper and style, which I have already shown to you in the wallpaper and personalization settings from the home screen. Next is accessibility. From here we can manage accessibility regarding settings like caption preference, audio adjustment, text to speech output, and everything which you would expect, like magnification and everything. Let's go back. Next option is security. From here we can check our security settings, whether we are on risk or we have security improved or everything. All the options will show up here. Let's go back. Next option is privacy. We can access our privacy dashboard from here. We can check which app has access to which type of permissions, like location, microphone, or camera. We can also manage all the settings regarding privacy from here, like camera, microphone access. As you can see, there is also option for activity controls and parental controls. Let's go back. Then there is next option for location. As you can see, location is location. Next is safety and emergency. In the safety and emergency, all the emergency settings are available here. Next is password and accounts. You can manage all the password and accounts here. Next is digital well-being. You can see all the app usage and screen time from here. And there is also option for parental controls here. You can set parental controls from here. Let's go back. Next option is Google. Obviously you can manage your Google account from here. Then there is option for system. In the system there is updater, which is showing that I'm on latest version. You can back up your mobile. You can set multiple users, and all these settings which are available from here you can set. Then there is next about phone. You can see as about phone information is available here. There is Android version and Pixel plus UI version. Now that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to Telegram. Thank you.